Hello, let's see how we can create this nice text with free Canva. So we can go to Canva homepage, and here we can choose any size. For example, I'm choosing social media, and let it be Facebook post. We can click create blank. So now we can enter text. We can go to the left side menu, click letter T and heading. And now we can enter in our text. We can resize it. We can go to the fonts here on the top, and we can search for other font. For example, I'm choosing 𝐂𝐚𝐧𝐯𝐚 font, and we can make it bold. We can click on the text, go to spacing, and here we can adjust spacing. And now we can go to the left side menu, click elements, and here we can search for flower pattern, choose graphics. And here we can search for free patterns. For example, I'm choosing this one. We can click on it and go to the colors and make the color as a background. Why? You need to see the position. Go to position and layers and see that the flowers pattern will be on the text. If it will be below the text, you don't see this nice effect. So you need to take the pattern and drag it up the text. Now we can duplicate it. We can click Ctrl+D and we can play with our text like this. We can resize it and play. Now we can duplicate the page and we can try with other flowers. For example, I'm choosing this one. We can make it bigger. And now we can change the color to the background color. Let's try another one. I am deleting this one. We can change the font. For example, we can try with Aprila. And now we can search for other elements. Let's try with this one. We can change the color. We can make it smaller. We can play with transparency button. And here you go. If we want, we can change the color of the text. Click on the text, go to colors, and here we can change it. For example, make it green, or we can make it other colors, and we can search for mandala graphics, and we can take and resize it and change color to the white. If we want to change the background color, we can click on the background, go to the colors, and we can make it with color, and we can change text color. For example, let it be blue. And now we can search for flowers and graphics. And here we see florals free. We can click on it. And we can change color to the background's color. And now we can just duplicate and And here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe. And see you next time.